What's up, my window cleaning friends? Chris Martinez here, and I want to share with you 5 mistakes I made when I first started my window cleaning company that you should be avoiding. The first mistake I want to share is how we marketed to anyone and everyone. Now, I'm all about marketing to everyone, but not when there's a marketing dollar attached to it. Marketing dollars are very valuable, and we only want to use them to very specific people. And in the beginning, we were just throwing marketing dollars out to everyone. But once we learned that there are price shoppers and value shoppers, we stopped marketing to everyone and just started marketing to those value shoppers, saving time, money, and even heartbreak because we didn't get rejected so much. The second mistake we made was marketing to the wrong property. Once we started marketing to the right customers, we were still marketing to the wrong properties. Yes, Miss Johnson is a great prospect that sees value in our service and can even afford us. But Miss Johnson lives in a 1,500 square foot home with 15 windows on it. And for us to make any real money that day, we would have to clean 5 homes. And that's just plain crazy. That's a lot of marketing dollars going out to do 5 homes. No, we're window cleaners. We want to go after homes with lots and lots of windows. 30, 40, 50 windows on them. Not homes with 15 windows. Instead of having to clean 5 homes a day, now we only needed to clean 1 or 2 homes a day. And the coolest part about that is when you do get to a point where you have 5 jobs coming in, well, now you can bring on another crew and make even more money. It's not about doing more homes. It's about doing less homes with more windows so you can make more money. It costs the same to acquire the 15 window home than it does the 30 window home. So go after the right properties and make a bigger ticket price. The third mistake we made was we had no sales process. We learned who our customer was, how to get the phone to ring, only to leave it up to chance and luck that they would call us back to schedule. Literally waiting and hoping that prospect would call us, leaving us frustrated with a pipeline full of leads that would never convert. It's crazy. The day that we started tweaking just little things, our conversion started going through the roof. Things like following up with the prospect, answering customer objections, just these little things right here. Those alone converted a prospect into a customer. The fourth mistake we made was not collecting all the data, like email addresses. We went a whole year without collecting 1 email address. We just collect basic information like a name, phone number, property address, what the price was for the job, but never anything past that. Today, we collect all the data we can, future opportunities, email addresses, and because of that, today we have an email list of over a couple thousand, and at any given time can put an email out, and boom, money on the books. So, collect the data, all the data. The fifth mistake that we made, which I think is one of the biggest mistakes we made, is not having a customer retention process in place. In other words, not having a process that stays in front of the customer all year and gets them back on the schedule over and over and over again. We'd spend money on marketing, convert that prospect into a customer, do a good job for them, only to hope that they call us back in the future to use us again. This leaves you with your wheels spinning, having to do the cycle over and over and over again. Get new client, service them. Get new client, service them. No, when you retain a client, you keep that client throughout years and can service them over and over and over again. Once we figured out that window cleaning is a residual service, when done right with a retention plan in place, it should be a residual income for you as well. And I wish I knew that early on in my business, as I'm sure I lost customers I will never see again, simply because I didn't stay in front of them. Well, I could come up with 100 mistakes that we made in our business. There's just 5 of them right there that you should be avoiding. Comment below some of the mistakes you've made along the way that you have now mastered. In the next video, I'm going to show you the results of a recent survey I did where over 100 window cleaners and pressure washers answered what their top objection was in marketing and sales. You're not going to want to miss it because one of those answers is costing you literally hundreds of thousands of dollars. I'll see you then.